Hello everybody, my name is Naida and welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking one serving macaroni and cheese 20 minutes in the microwave. 1/2 cup of elbow macaroni, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 cup of water, 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable cooking oil, and over here I have 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/8 teaspoon of cornstarch, a pinch of smoked paprika, and a pinch of black pepper, and we're gonna add it and we're gonna mix it. We're gonna microwave it for 20 minutes and then we're gonna check it in between. Hot. So this is how it looks like. It's cooked, and then while it's hot we're gonna add some cheese. You can add regular cheese or you can add vegan cheese. The choice is yours. And this is how it looks like. My favorite part, let's eat. It's really good. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.